Push and pull queries are easier to understand when you see them in action. First, I want to review the structure of the person stats table from the last lesson. We're going to issue a pull query on the person stats table. You'll see the latest location changes, and unique locations. Next, we'll issue a push query on the person stats table where the person equals Allison. You'll see that the current aggregate results appear and that the query is still running. Off screen, I'm going to go and add a new movement event. And look, you see a new aggregate record show up and another new aggregate record show up. Push queries will run continuously until they're manually killed. So let's go ahead and kill this query. And that's all for demonstrating push and pull queries.